a while, I'm going to instruct one of my new dances called Fannie Mae, or Over at Fannie Mae. One wall, 40 count beginner dance, and it's done to Fannie Mae by Charles Wilson. So I'm going to turn my back, and it's going to start off with a walk forward on the right and a kick, and you're going to do that twice. 5, 6, 7, 8. Walk right, left, right, and kick. Left, right, left, step back. Right, left, right, and kick. Left, right, left, step back. The next thing you're going to do is you're going to walk to the right, right, left, right, tap. Then you're going to walk back to the left. Left, right, left, tap. From here, you're going to slide to the right, and slide to the left. From the top. 5, 6, 7, 8. Walk right, left, right, and kick. Left, right, left, step back. Right, left, right, and kick. Left, right, and walk to the right. Walk right. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And slide. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Next, you're going to make a full turn to the left, starting with your right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. To end the dance, you're going to dip your hips to the right, left, right, left. Right, left, right, left. And then you're going to start it over. So let's walk it all the way through. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Right, left, right, left, left, right. Walk to the right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Slide. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Dip. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now, let's do it to the music. Hit it. It ain't nothing like some Southern soul blues. Fannie Mae by Charles Wilson. One wall. I want everybody out there. You ready? Come on, 5, 6, 7, 8. Walk. And kick. And walk. And kick. Walk to the right. 2, 3, to the left. Slide to the right. Slide to the left. Step and turn. 1. Dip it out. 1, 2, 3. Let's go. Walk. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And kick. Walk to the right. To the left. You're going to slide to the right. To the left. Step and turn. 1, 2, 3, 4. Dip it out. Right. One more time. Over at Fannie Mae. And kick. You're going to walk. Over at Fannie Mae. Slide. Step and turn. Dip it out. Right. Walk. And kick. One more. And kick. To the right. Now, instead of that dip it out, we're going to do a slow roll. Same count. Instead of that dip, roll. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Walk. And kick. Step back. And kick. Walk to the right. To the left. Slide it. We're going to do that slow roll one more time. Step and turn. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Walk. Do it again.
about to party.